Welcome back to my class, students. In the previous video we discussed about the theme of the story, theme of the chapter, the thief's story. Now in this audio clip we will discuss about the message of the chapter. The name of the chapter is the thief's story. Well, students, I think the thief's story, the message of this chapter is very simple and clear, that we should not take what belongs to someone else. If the thing is not ours, we should not take. We should not, have some bad, evil ways, and we should not leave the good path. We should just stick to the good path. We should leave, or we can say we should shun our bad ways, evil ways, and embrace the good ways. We should acquire a good life. We should follow a good life. We should follow a normal life. We should lead a good life. The story shows us that even the bad people, criminals, thieves, they have something good in themselves. They have some good qualities in them, and if we take care of them, we show them our love, forgiveness, care, kindness to them, we can reform them into a good person. They can leave their bad ways and they can become a good person, responsible person of the society. This is possible, student. This story shows us that. And we just need a good people like Anil to transform a thief, to make a thief realize his mistake. He feels guilty of stealing. A good man like Anil, who shows a good faith on him, who shows complete faith on him, and his kindness, forgiveness, caring, and loving nature makes him realize his mistakes, and he comes back to become an educated person. He comes back to Anil. Another message of the story can be that if somebody trusts on you, never breaks the trust of a person, because if you break the trust of a person, that cannot be bind again. There will be always some consequences, because you have broken the trust of that person. In your relationship, you will always suffer after you break a trust of a person. So never ever break the trust of a person. If somebody trusts on you, don't break that trust. One more message of this chapter can be that people have it in themselves. It is their attitude that they want to be good or a bad person in their life, and there is something special, something noble, something good, some good qualities in everybody's person, and the message is very clear that our attitude decides that we are going to live a life of a criminal or a life of a well-educated person, a responsible, respectable, respected person of the society. And if this story clearly gives the message, like Anil, who was a struggling writer, who was not earning money regularly, he was earning his money by fits and starts. He decides to choose a noble path by writing for magazines, and on the other hand, the attitude of a young boy who was 15 years of age, Hari Singh, he decides to choose the wrong path. His attitudes, he gives up very quickly, and he decides to become an expert thief, and he does become an expert thief. And so he decides to become a thief, and on the other hand Anil decides to become a good person, respectable person of the society, and his goodness makes Hari Singh realizes his mistakes, and he realizes that it is very easy to rob someone, and it is very easy to be caught by police also, but it is to become a respectable person, renowned person, respected person of the society is something different. So everybody has some good qualities in him. We should not take others belongings. If it does not belong to us, we should not take, and we should not break the trust of somebody's. If anybody trusts on us, we should not break it. These can be the message of the chapter. So in next, thank you. This is it, students. I said this is for it, so I should have said this is it. So this is it now. Thank you.